Welcome back to Cryptogains for another video. This is another crypto for beginners, simple steps video for those that are new to this. If you watch my channel often, but you've got people in the background saying, how do I buy it? How do I do this? How do I do that? Come, send them to this video. They can watch it and they can learn some stuff. So in my last few videos, I've been talking about, the simple steps of getting involved in crypto. Understanding CoinGecko, how to search a coin, how to buy things on exchanges, all of that stuff. Now we're focusing on the tokenomics. It's important that when you start off in crypto, especially if you're looking at these index pages, which is your coin market cap or your or your CoinGecko, you understand the tokenomics. So this is just going to be just a mini video on the tokenomics. Let's grab up, where's Sui? Let's grab up Sui for a second. And we will use Sui as an example for the tokenomics. This page, this is what we're going to look at. What are we actually seeing here? So on the left-hand side, you see the name of the coin. You see the ticker, which is the small, short abbreviation of the coin's name. Sui, what is this Sui? Sometimes you see other coins that have like a short ticker, right? You see the rank of where it is in the charts of all the coins that exist. You see the price, which is here. And you see the percentage, how much it's gone up on the day. Yeah, and obviously this is your line chart that tells you if the price has gone up today, if it's gone down. You can see here the hour time frame, or the time frame. You can have it on the daily time frame, the weekly time frame. Look, you can see within the week it was right down here at $1.75, and then it shot right up to over $2.30. You see, that's what that is here, right? That's how you understand that, and you can choose which month time frame you want to see it on. If we scroll down, we start to see the most important technical part of this coin. Market cap. How do we understand the market cap? Well, the market cap is made up of two things. It's made up of the circulating supply, right? The supply that's circulating right now, meaning what tokens are available for people to buy. They take these tokens that are available for people to buy and they times it. Let's get the token and copy this. And then they times it by the price of what the coin is, right? So let's just see if I'm correct. So we refresh this, take the supply, what's circulating right now, times it by $2.24. It should give you a price of 6,191,000,000. Okay, so it's close. I don't know why this says 6.1. Maybe because the APY, we know like when you look at CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, there's an API. It's like it sends a signal from the exchanges to let you know what the price is. So give or take. But that's how they find this, right? That's how they find it. They times the circulating supply by the price, and it usually gives them the market cap, right? So fully diluted valuation, this is what the market cap, so you see this where it says 6 billion, this is what it will be or should be if all of the tokens were circulating. So remember I said to you right now there's only 2.7 billion tokens that are circulating that people can grab right now. They have a max supply of 10 billion tokens. So you're probably thinking, well, where's the rest of the tokens then? Why aren't they all released? Well, people got in early on the Sui network through maybe an airdrop, maybe an ICO, which is an initial coin offering, sort of like a pre-sale. They were able to get in early before it actually got launched. So these people that got in early had the chance to grab this at an incredibly cheap price, maybe less than 20 cents, right? But here's the thing. Yes, they were able to grab it cheaper, but they cannot have all of their tokens right away. Sui gives it to them on a vested schedule, meaning every month I'll give you a couple of your coins. Yep, there you go. And they do this so they can't dump the price, because if they had all the tokens, they'll just dump the price, they'd sell out, they'd make loads of money, and then the coin just goes just straight down to zero. So they are powerful pre-sales because you do get in early, but at the same time they can affect you depending on the time that you're buying them. Because if you buy a pre-sale at the top of the market where it's almost ended, you're stuck with these coins that you're receiving every month for free when the market's about to go down and tank like that, just fall down in price. So it's important that you get in at the right time with these projects, yeah? And as this stands, there's probably still a long time until all of these tokens get circulated. Sometimes it's not just initial coin offerings, and it's not just airdrops that hold this down. It can be the staking protocol. So sometimes coins give people the opportunity to stake tokens. What does staking mean? Staking is like a process that we can give people our coins that we've purchased. We put it into this thing called a stake pool, and then we can earn passive income. And then they will say to you, SWE will say, look, because you're choosing to stake and keep the network stable, we will give you some more SWE tokens back. So every day they give you tokens for free. That's because you've locked your tokens. They're not going anywhere. They're keeping the network stable. It means it's not going to fluctuate in price as much because more tokens are getting locked up. And then they do this decision, like you can lock it up for 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. And the longer you lock it up, the higher the APY you receive. A bit like bonds, right? And once you lock it up, yeah, it keeps the network stable. They dish you out coins for free every month or every day. And that's how that works as well. So this could also, be that. It could also be that people are staking their tokens and that they're receiving because they've kept a certain amount of tokens just for the stakeholders where they release them to them. Right? So it could be that as well. So that's basically what we're seeing here. The 24-hour trading volume. This is how much money is being filtered through SWE every single day. People that are buying, people that are selling. $1.3 billion is going through. It's a lot of money every day to be going through SWE. There's a lot of attention right now. And the reason there's a lot of attention is because it's basically people are getting involved over here, which is Move Pump. This is for a whole nother video, but this is a launchpad platform that lets people get involved in new coins, more specifically meme coins, where just money is a whole new level. That's something we need to talk about now. But people are getting in early on coins and they're making loads of money. If you want to learn about that, watch my channel. Yeah. So this is how you've understood all these tokenomics now. So we understand the market cap. And the market cap is how much money is in a project right now. That's made up of the circulating supply and the price, right? So you understand that. You understand the fully diluted. This means when all of the tokens will be circulating, which means when all the 10 billion tokens are out there, that's what it should be, 22 billion. Right? And you understand the trading volume. Let's come down. They've got here a website. This is all easy stuff now. Website, the white paper. They got this contract address. When you want to buy SWE, you can buy it several ways. You can, like what I showed you in the last video, you can click on the markets tab and you can see you can buy it on Binance, MEXC, Bybit, all of these popular exchanges, but you can also buy it on decentralized exchanges. Remember when I showed you a video, if you're new, check the last videos of these simple steps where you can buy Neural AI, which is an AI coin on a decentralized exchange, which was Uniswap. Well, SWE has its own decentralized exchange where you can buy and swap and trade things, something called Blue Move. And there's another one called Cetus, right? These are decentralized exchanges. You can come over here and you can buy coins. If SWE wasn't there, let's say this was something else. Let's say this was, I don't know, USDT. You could click on this, you can click on this and then paste in the contract address. This was the contract address that I found right here. Click it, copy it, and you can come over to a decentralized exchange and paste it in, and then it will find the SWE token for you. And then you can click it, and then you can obviously trade it. So that's what we use the contract address for, and it's a good way to make sure that you're getting on the right coin. As you come over to CoinGecko, you copy the contract address, and then you paste it into wherever it needs to be so you can buy it. You got the Explorer here, which takes you to the blockchain. I did a video on understanding how to, understand what the blockchain is. I could bring another video if you like, but check my videos. It talks about how to, I think it was one based on inheritance, but this is just the blockchain where you can see all of the transactions and everything that's going on the blockchain. Yeah, that's for another video because it's quite technical. SWE wallet, which it just gives you a little help. You can download the SWE wallet and then you can use it. That's just a link to it. It takes you straight there so you can download it. And then obviously there's social medias like the Twitter, Discord and everything else, and then you can search it on Twitter and everything else. That's the basics of what you're seeing here. That's it. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, drop that like, give me a subscribe. I'm going to leave it here. Super simple. I don't want to be too complex. I will see you in my next video. Cheers. Never be defeated.